Gmail gets AI. Google adds machine learning models to help with searching emails on phone.
The mobile app for Gmail will now display top results whenever a user does a search. Express Image. Are you among those who use Gmail on their smartphone? Well, things may get a lot better in the coming days with AI. Google is currently working on deploying machine learning models to allow users to easily wade through their inboxes to search for the most relevant emails while they are on the move.
Most users of Gmail prefer the native app over third-party applications seen on iOS and Android. The reason for this is mostly the simple and user-friendly interface. Google has been consistently working towards improving the Gmail experience.
The mobile app for Gmail will now display top results whenever a user does a search. The top results will be reportedly curated using machine learning models. Google claims that the results are likely to be more relevant and tailored based on what a user is looking for.
Based on a blog posted by Google on Workspace, when searching in Gmail, machine learning models will use the search term, most recent emails, and other relevant factors to show you the results that best match the search query. The results will appear at the top of the list in a dedicated section, and it will be followed by results based on recency.
Google has said that the new feature will impact end users, and it has been one of the highly requested features. The feature gives the most relevant information first, allowing users to easily access specific emails and files.
To use the feature, users need to navigate to the Gmail search bar and put the relevant terms for their search, and it will return results that best match the keyword. The feature is being rolled out from June 2nd, however, if you don't see it yet, it will come sooner.